As you can see, we've got a natural draft cooling tower in front of us now, and we can see that the design is very unique. They have a very unique shape. In order to understand exactly how this cooling tower works, we have to be aware of the concept of evaporative cooling. If you lick the back of your hand and then blow air across it, you'll notice that your hand feels cold. As the moisture evaporates, it's cooling the molecules around it. The water is being sprayed out of all of these nozzles. It's sprayed over a very large cross-sectional area, and as it slowly drips through the fill, a lot of that water is going to come into contact with air. Some of the water is going to evaporate. When it evaporates, it's actually going to cool the water molecules surrounding it. The type of fill that we actually used in this demonstration is a thin film type of fill, although you can also have splash bars. Splash bars allow the water to drip down onto one bar, then the next bar, then the next bar, and then the next bar. And this allows the water, as it lands upon each bar, to form smaller and smaller water droplets, which gives them a large contact area with the air. The drift eliminator causes the air to change direction as it passes through the drift eliminator. For the air, this is no problem because the air can just spin around and then it travels up and out of the tower. For the water molecules, it's not so easy for them to change direction twice and then continue traveling up and out of the tower. The reason is the water molecules are heavier than air, so they will actually impinge upon the drift eliminator and drip back down into the cooling tower. Natural draft cooling towers are very expensive, but once they're in service, they're actually quite cheap compared to other types of towers because they have no fans, which means we are not paying for electricity.